Hey, how's it going? Welcome to my channel. It's Mattman, and on this channel we'll be primarily doing hockey box breaks. Today we're going to start with something small, just to start off the channel. 2019-20 Upper Deck Series 1 hockey. You collect 2 Young Guns on average per box. You got 7 packs inside, plus a bonus pack, so a total of 8 cards. And you can get UD jerseys. You can get other cool things like canvases, Young Guns primarily. Here's the odds, if you want to watch that, if anybody does watch this. And yeah, let's get right in this box. Everything wants to focus. Get this thing open. Take our scissors. Just open this thing up. I've been collecting for about a year now. Recently sold off, there you go, all my collection to get a bunch of Lightning cards. I have plenty more. But now I figured start a YouTube channel, it'd be fun. And so let's open this thing right up. 2019-20 Upper Deck Series 1. See the 8 cards inside, 8 packs. Maybe get something good. You want to primarily look for Jack Quinn Hughes in here, because those top 1 picks for Jack Hughes and Quinn Hughes was up there as well. Set those aside. Let's break this thing open. Alright, start things off. We have Anthony Cirelli, Jacob Chychrun, Matt Dumba, Max Pacioretty. Here's our first Young Guns, Gaetan Haas, the Edmonton Oilers. If you want to take a closer look at that. There's the back. I personally like the Young Guns look this year. They don't have that border from last year. Like the picture. Looks nice. We'll set that aside. Let's see. We have Cam Atkinson, Oliver Bjorkstrand, and Ryan Reeves of the Vegas Golden Knights. First pack. Just get rid of there. And on to the second pack. So 1 Young Gun already. Should be expecting 1 more, approximately. We have Phillip Danault, Martin Jones, JVR, and a UD Portraits of Brady Tkachuk. And he again. You got the 2 picture of them, one in their homes, one in their aways. Here's the back. I like last year's looks better. They appeal to me more. Let's finish the rest of the base. Lars Eller, Antoine Roussel, Mark Stone, and Alexander Radulov. And set those off to the side. Third pack. This 8-pack break. Start things off, we have Matthew Barzal, Elias Lindholm of the Flames, Tyler Seguin, Ryan Strome, Noah Hanifin, everything's sideways, John Klingberg, Hank, and Tyler Bertuzzi. Oh, that's an all base pack. Probably have 1 or 2 more of those in this break. On to the 4th pack, halfway through. We have Drew Doughty, Christian Fischer, Oscar Klefbom, Evgeny Kuznetsov, and a UD canvas of Miro Heiskanen. See, it looks like a canvas. Feels like a canvas. And that's the back. Feels like cardboard. Nice design this year. Brett Pesce, Kyle Turris, and Jacob Silverberg. On to the 3rd pack, 3rd to last pack. We have Brent Burns, Thomas Tatar, Josh Anderson, and our second Young Guns, Dante Fabro. It's a decent one. I've heard good things from him. It's the back of his card. So no Jack Hughes or Quinn Hughes, but there's a Dante Fabro, the Nashville Predators. Josh Morrissey, Henrik Borgstrom, Sam Bennett, and Tuukka Rask. I can't stand the Bruins. As a Lightning fan, especially those Tuukka chants in the crowd, ticks me off. On to the six-pack, Dylan Strome, Franz Nielsen, Dougie Hamilton, Nikolai Ehlers, Kyle Okposo, Mikhail Bodker, Series 1 checklist, Brad Marchand and Ryan O'Reilly, probably from the Cup Finals. It's ironic. There's the checklist, and Boone Jenner. And the final pack of the break. Tyler Bozak, Leo Komarov, Nolan Patrick. It's a cool card. Winter Classic. Flipping up a puck. Philip Grubauer, Leon Draisaitl. I tell you, there's Lightning. He's having a breakout year this year. Playing with McDavid, he's a stud. Mikael Backlund, Nathan McKinnon, and the last card, Brad Richardson. That's another surprising team. The Coyotes. I don't think anybody expected them to do this good. So yeah, that's a break of 2019-20 Upper Deck Series 1 retail. Got what we expected. About 2 Young Guns, canvas, portraits, and a bunch of base. My honest thoughts on this product: it's a good starter one. Although I prefer Hobby. These are the 2 Young Guns we got: Dante Fabro of the Nashville Predators and Gaetan Haas of the Oilers. So yeah, thanks for watching this video of 2019 Upper Deck Series 1 hockey. Probably will be more to come on the outcome of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed what I produced here. Leave feedback if you want. Any tips or tricks or lighting. I know lighting up here is pretty bad. Anything you want to see. That's all. I'll be back. Thanks for watching. Bye.